Today I want to talk about a piece of gear I can't literally work without anymore. These are called quick release plates. We're going to talk about it after the intro. Hello to you, welcome to a new video. Thanks for tuning in. If it's the first time to check my channel, I'm Mamo. Welcome. I'm talking about camera gear, tutorials, about video editing, video making in general, so hit the subscribe button right now. Today, as I mentioned before, we're going to talk about quick release plates. I literally, guys, can't work and make videos without this piece of gear anymore. This is going to save so much time during your workflow you can't even imagine, especially when you're working professionally in fast-paced environment. What are these things? Okay, as you can see, I've got three different types. A quick release plate is simply a plate that you attach under your camera, and it comes usually with the mount as well. It's called quick release plates because literally, usually through a clip, in a second, you are able to remove the camera on top of your tool or device you're using in no time. And you can switch the camera between different tools in no time as well. I'm going to give you a few examples. As you can see, I have a few tools around me. This is a gimbal by G-Win. This is the Weeble 2 Pro. And I've got a couple of tripods as well by Manfrotto, the B3 and the Compact Action. I reviewed all this gear, so if you want to check them out, go in the description tab or in the cards up here. Let's say I'm on a shoot and I need to use either the gimbal and the tripod, but I don't have time to switch and balance the gimbal every time, or simply take my camera from the gimbal, remove the plate, put another plate, place it on the tripod, and so on. Quick release plate is the solution. I have one right here on my gimbal, for example. What I have to do, open the clip, the camera is ready. Luckily, the B3 has already a mount that can fit the same Manfrotto plate. So what you have to do is just slide it in here and you're ready to go. How long did I take? Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. If that, 3-4 seconds. Gimbal is already balanced. You don't have to remove the plate of the gimbal or anything like that and rebalance the gimbal sometimes. It's ready to go. So that's why I love this piece of gear. Let's talk about these three quick release plates I have. First of all, I have the 323 by Manfrotto. This comes with the plate and the adapter. Very simple. Once again, I open the clip, the plate comes off. There's a 1/4 inch screw on top of the plate and also 1/4 inch thread under the adapter, but also this comes off, so it becomes a 3/8 inch thread basically. The Manfrotto B3 tripod comes already with the same plate. So you have the same adapter built in the tripod, and the plate comes with a mount with the adapter. This one is for Sony cameras. So if you purchase the B3 I have right here, comes already with the plate for your Sony cameras. All the links again in the description, all the reviews are down there. And basically you can switch already 2 devices in no time with the same plate. If you have a different tripod, for example, the Compact Action still by Manfrotto, or any other tripod with different heads, a different plate, you can mount the 323 adapter on the plate of your tripod. I'm gonna show you quickly. That's it. You place it on your tripod, lock it, and now also this tripod is compatible with your other devices. Let's say again I want to move my camera from the gimbal to the new tripod. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's ready to go. And now all the tools can actually fit the same plate. So it's very quick, it's gonna save you a lot of time. Go and check them out right now, link in the description. A great feature also on the mount is the secure lock. Once your plate is in place and it clicks, you can move the lock And now whatever you do, even by accident, if you're touching the clip, the camera will not detach from the mount and it will stay safely on the adapter. So that was the Manfrotto 323. Let's talk about the Ulanzi Claw. This is another great piece of tool. Same principle, is just a different plate. So this adapter will not fit the Manfrotto quick release plates, for example. And that's why my advice is to buy maybe 3 or 4 adapters and plates from the same brand, which are exactly the same model as well. So you can literally switch in no time between your tools. Because if you purchase the Claw, for example, and a couple of the Manfrotto ones, well, it just defeats the purpose. It wouldn't work unless I'm gonna show you what I do right now. First of all, this is a quick release plate that you can attach to your shoulder strap of a bag, for example. And let's pretend this is a rucksack, right? So I'm gonna place it here. The quick release plate, the Claw, goes around the strap in the front. This is great for traveling, guys, so I definitely recommend it. This is good quality as well. Go and check out Ulanzi, the Ulanzi website. You simply attach it here in the front of your shoulder strap. As I mentioned, if you have 3 or 4 of the same quick release plates from the same brand, then simply you remove the quick release plate from the mount. That's tiny. As you can see, it's smaller than the Manfrotto. It's just a different brand. You attach it under your camera and you attach everything on the strap. But if you have 3 Manfrottos, for example, and 1 Claw, you can attach the Manfrotto on the Claw. That's it. So the Claw is at the back of my Manfrotto 323. I'm gonna remove the quick release plate, the Manfrotto, because I'm gonna attach it under my camera. And first of all, I'm going to attach the Claw in its adapter. Let's attach the Manfrotto under the camera. Very quick as well. And what I can do, done. Now I can walk or hike with my camera in the front. Let's say I want to take a shot, a photo now. 1 second, take my photo. I want to use the tripod. Ready for the tripod. So what do you think about the quick release plates? Let me know in the comment tabs below. What's your favorite piece of gear actually, and the one you can't work without or take photos without? Drop a comment down here. I'm very curious. Maybe we cover it in another video as well. I hope this tip helped you out. Go and check the products. Go and check my other videos. There's a lot of stuff there, guys, and more stuff coming in 2022. By the way, Happy New Year. I will catch you in the new video very soon. Take care.